Service in Charleston has issued a flood warning for small streams until 6:15 a.m. At 2:20 a.m., a few creeks and streams, including Duck Creek at Whitley in Washington County, remain out of their banks from the heavy rain earlier tonight. Radar indicated additional showers and storms were pushing east across the warned area, with rainfall amounts in excess of 0.5 inches per hour possible. This additional rainfall may act to exacerbate the ongoing flooding as well as possibly causing additional flooding. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported.
Now looking at the weather